Athletes to the line.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the 10-meter air pistol gold medal match of the European Youth League Championships in Tallinn 2023. The teams competing in this match are Team Italy and Team Spain. Please welcome the finalists for the 10-meter air pistol gold medal match. On firing point H, representing Spain, Julia Valls. On firing point G, representing Italy, Francesca Cardiero. On firing point F, representing Spain, Lucas Sanchez. On firing point E, representing Italy, Federica Quattrocchi. On firing point D, representing Spain, Juan Miguel Robles. On firing point C, representing Italy, Alessio Arrighi. On firing point B, representing Spain, Inés Ortega. And on firing point A, representing Italy, Liangxi Savorani. The coach of Team Spain is Sonal Georg Ramindra. And the coach of Team Italy is Francesco Bruno. The jury member in charge for this match is Nikola Maric from Serbia. And the chief range officer for this match is Kristina Kivari from Estonia. Ladies and gentlemen, please one big round of applause for all the finalists, and we wish them good luck in this match.
Take your positions. Five minutes preparation and sighting time starts.
Ladies and gentlemen, while the athletes are firing their sighting shots, I will briefly explain the procedures for this match. So the athletes will fire single shots on command in a time limit of 50 seconds per shot. In each pair of athletes shooting on the neighboring fire points, for example, fire points A and B, fire points C and D, etc., an athlete who shoots a better shot in each round is awarded 2 points. If there is a draw between those athletes, each of them is awarded 1 point. That means that in each round, each team can get up to 8 total points. There is a maximum of 20 shots in the medal match, and the first team reaching 81 points win the match. If both teams are on 80 points after the 20th shot, there will be a shoot-off to determine the winner of this match. Thank you.
Thirty seconds. Stop. For the first competition's shot, load. Start. Stop.
And in the first round of this match, the 2 points in the first duel go to Team Italy. In the second duel, once again, Italy wins 2 points. The same is true actually for the third and the fourth duel. So it means that Team Italy is taking an early lead with 8 points versus Spain 0.
For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop.
And in the first duel of this round, 2 points go to Liangxi Savorani from Italy as he shoots a strong 10.6. In the second duel, 2 points go once again to an Italian athlete. In the third duel, Italy gets another 2 points. And in the fourth duel, Spain gets their first 2 points of this match. So it's 14-2, Italy leading.
For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop.
So in the third shot of this match, in the first duel, Spain gets 2 points as Ines Ortega shoots a confident 10.7. In the second duel, 2 points go to Italy. In the third duel, with an almost perfect 10.8, Lucas Sanchez gets Team Spain another 2 points. And in the fourth duel, with a strong 10.6, Francesca Cardiero wins another 2 points for Team Italy. So the total is right now 18-6, Italy leading.
For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop.
In the fourth round of this match, the first duel gets 2 points for Team Italy. The same is true for the second and the third duels. And in the fourth duel, 2 points go to Team Spain. 24-8, Italy leading.
For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop.
In the first duel in this round, 2 points go to Team Italy as Liangsi Savarani has shot a really strong 10.7. In the second duel, the athletes have shot the same score of 10.0, which means that each of them gets 1 point for their teams. In the third duel, we have 2 points for Team Italy, and in the fourth duel, once again a draw between Italy and Spain, 1 point each. So Italy is right now on 30 total points and Spain is on 10.
For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop.
2 points go to Team Spain in the first duel of this round. The same is true for the second duel. In the third duel, an Italian athlete was a bit stronger, and she gets 2 points for her team. And in the fourth duel, once again, 2 points for Team Italy. 34-14, Italy is leading with a margin of 20 points.
For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop.
In this round, the first duel was won by Spanish athletes. The second and the third duels have been won by Italians, and the fourth duel once again by Spain. This means that the total score is now 38-18, and Italy is still in the lead of 20 points.
For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop.
In the first, second, and third duels of this round, the Spanish athletes were stronger, which means that Spain has 6 more points now. And in the fourth duel, the Team Italy gets another 2 points. The total score is now 14-24, and after 8 shots, Italy has almost half of what they need in order to win this match.
For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop.
2 points go to Team Spain in the first duel of this match. In the second duel, 2 points go to Team Italy. In the third duel, there is a draw between the athletes as both of them shot 9.5 points. And in the fourth duel, an Italian athlete has been stronger. So 45 to 27, Italy is still in the lead.
For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop.
In the first duel of this round, Italy was stronger and they win 2 points for their team. The same is true in the second duel with a strong 10.5. Alessio Arrighi gets another 2 points for his team. In the third duel, Spain was stronger, but in the fourth duel, there is some exceptional shooting from both athletes, but with a 10.8, Francesca Cardiero was stronger. And this means that we are now on a total of 51 for Italy and 29 for Spain.
For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop.
There is a draw in the first duel of this round with 9.8 for both Savorani and Ortega. In the second duel, an Italian athlete was a bit stronger, so 2 points go to Italy. 2 points go for Spain in the third duel of this round. And in the fourth round, with a strong 10.6, Julia Wells gets another 2 points for her team. So the total score is now 54 to 34, Italy is leading.
For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop.
2 points for Spain in the first duel of this round. In the second duel, 2 points go to Italy. In the third duel, which was particularly tight, 10.3 versus 10.2, 2 points go to Italy. And there is a draw in the fourth duel of this round, with both athletes shooting 10.3 points. The total score is 59 to 37, and Italy needs just over 20 points in order to win the gold medals of this competition.
For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop.
2 points go to Team Italy in the first duel of this round. This is the same for the second duel. In the third duel, Spain gets 2 points, and in the fourth duel, once again, 2 points for Team Italy. 65 to 39, and just 16 points needed for Team Italy to win the gold.
For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop.
2 points go to Team Spain in the first duel of this round. Italy gets 2 points from the second duel, and another 2 points from the third, and yet another 2 points from the fourth duel of this round. 71 to 41, and just 10 points left for Team Italy to win it.
For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop.
It seems to me that in this particular round, Team Spain has managed to win all the duels, and yes, that's true, which means that with 8 more points, they are now on a total of 49. The difference between the two teams is still quite large, 22 points, but let's see if Spain manages to change the way it goes.
For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop.
In the first duel of this round, and actually also in the second duel, Spanish athletes were stronger, but we have seen also some really strong shooting actually from both sides. In the third duel, Italy gets 2 points, and the same is true for the fourth duel. So after this round, Italy is on 75 points and Spain is on 53, and each next shot can become the last one in this final, as Italy only needs 6 points to win it.
For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop.
seems to me that it's not over yet. In the first duel of this match, Italy has won 2 points. In the second duel, 2 points go to Spain. Also in the third duel, 2 points to Spain, and 2 points go to Italy in the fourth duel. Italy is right now on 79 points, which means that they need just 2 points in order to win the gold medals. Let's see what happens in the next round.
For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop.
And this is still not over yet. With some fantastic shooting by Spanish athletes, they managed to win all the duels in this particular round. This means that they are now on 65 total points versus Italy's 79, and it's not over yet for them.
For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop. The results are final.
And with some really strong shooting in this round, Italian athletes have managed to win the gold medal match of this competition with a total score of 86 points versus 66 for Spain. Congratulations, Team Italy, for winning the gold, and congratulations, Team Spain, on winning the silver medals. We will continue with the announcement of all the medalists in just a few moments.
Clear the range.
Attention, athletes from the Ukraine pistol team, could you please also come here to the range? And a short announcement about the victory ceremonies. The victory ceremony for the pistol event will be held after the gold medal match of the rifle event. Thank you.